Whew. Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. We're going to be learning a Christmas carol. We already started. We're continuing it with Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad. Then we wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm going to be doing the two together. Both of them follow the same kind of pattern in as much as different tempos, So it's like Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero y felicidad. I wish you a Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Alright, so they are both, using the same progression and alright, so before we get into it, I would like to thank those of you who are just subscribing to the channel. God bless you and keep on, watching the videos. There are a lot more videos that I've done that you can go back and then watch. And for beginners, I have like 36 videos in a playlist for you. I'll be putting it up there so that you can, go there and then watch. It has, almost every key have been done in 3 videos. And I've properly arranged it on my website. I'll be putting the link in the description, and you can go to the website and then follow the lessons through, so you are done with the kits and you know that your code 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then 1, how to invert chord and all that. All right, so let's get on with it. Okay, so this is your chord 1. We're doing Feliz Navidad. So chord 1, Feliz Navidad. That's chord 4, Feliz Navidad. Okay, so Feliz Navidad. Okay, you have to move to 5. Feliz Navidad. That's 3. Feliz Navidad. Sorry, I guess I'm going up and down. Alright, so 1 to 4. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Alright, okay, so 1 to 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Alright, so this is your chord 1. Feliz Navidad. Okay, so in this case, I'm still maintaining the 4 and then the 5. Okay, it brings this tension and some beauty into it. All right, so Feliz Navidad, Navidad. Okay, Feliz Navidad. Then there's a 3. So you see that I'm playing 5 here and then 3 here. So if I'm to move it, I play this one, I'll be getting my minor 7 chord. Alright. Okay, so Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad. That's chord 2. Prospero. So I maintain the 2 and then I play a 5. Okay, before I move to the 5 and then 1. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Alright, so I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas 4. Then 4 over the 5. You play 5 over the 3 and then you move to 6. Come back to 2 over the 5 and then 1. So I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish instead of coming to the 2, you can just then, so it's a 6, 7, then you do a flat 2, okay, or a sharp 1. Okay, so it's a flat 2. This is a chord, but all right, let me do here. So indirectly, what I'm doing is I'm doing a 6 over the flat 2 or sharp 1, anyhow you want to do it. So it's like 6, 7, then I do a 6. Now the 6, instead of doing it a minor, I'm doing it a major. All right, so it's just a passing 6, 7, and then 2. So I wanna wish you Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Alright, so that's it for the Felix Navidad. And then I wish you a Merry Christmas too. It follows the same pattern, so let's do it like so that you see it. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Da 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 da. Okay, so from 1 to 4, 4 over the 5, then you do a 3, 6, 7, major 6 over a flat 2 to a chord 2. Okay, so it's a passing to chord 2, and then you do a 5, then 1. So I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Then da 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 Alright, so that place you do a 1. So this your 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. So that's basically the progression for the song. Next one, I think we'll be learning Mary, did you know that your baby boy da, 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 da. Did you know that your baby da, 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 da. Alright, so see you in the next tutorial. God bless you for being a part of this tutorial. Bye.